Weddings can always be challenging, especially when you're working with fresh product and you're not sure what the quality is going to be. And sometimes it comes in and you're in a panic situation. You're like, oh my gosh, it's 90 degrees, my hydrangea are going to go down. Or the dahlias come in and they're not so pretty. What about stephanotis? Boy, that sometimes comes in, it's brown and impossible to use, and then you're stuck with, oh my gosh, what's next? So it's always great to have wonderful quality backup in the permanent botanicals to have in your shop so that you are never stuck with not having what you or the bride needs. So we're going to start with the hydrangea. As you can see, beautiful hydrangea. Look at the dahlias. I mean, perfect shape, color, work well for putting together a bouquet. I'm just going to put these together quickly so that you can see how gorgeous the permanent botanicals make up into this bouquet. We're going to use a little bit of the texture we're adding, right? The dahlias, you can see, are a nice point in the center. Look at the stephanotis. These are gorgeous. Gorgeous, realistic. That's what we like as well. You know, the thing we want to keep in mind is, what is the bride expecting? If she's expecting fresh, then we want to make it look as fresh as possible and incorporate fresh and the permanent botanical together. So here we have the dahlias, the hydrangea along with our textures and our stephanotis, even the beautiful Real Touch roses to add to this. Give it that combination of our cream and white, and then we'll do a little bit of collaring and give that more organic look with the silver dollar eucalyptus just coming out. So you can see we're just building a beautiful bouquet, but the idea is, if you can't get what you're looking for in the fresh on an everyday basis, or it's even questionable, the girl loves dahlias, have the conversation with her. Is it possible to do the combination of the permanent botanical and the fresh? Because you're going to get a perfect product every time. She'll say, is it real or not?